Now, before we move ahead, we've just launched the TCS NQT course, which has 175 plus hours of course content. It completes the whole syllabus for the foundational section and also the advanced coding section. The best part is we've also partnered with TCS Ion, so you'll get one certification from TCS Ion in the skill of your choice and also certifications from Prepinsta as well. The TCS NQT course is also included in the Prepinsta Prime subscription, in which you get 150 plus other courses like C, C++, Java, Python, data structures, competitive coding, skills like artificial intelligence, machine learning. Pretty amazing. The link is in the description of the video. I recommend you to check out. You'll surely love it.
Hey guys, welcome to the new video of TCS NQT Advanced Reasoning Ability. So make sure you attend the whole session and you see each and every question, because the question I'll be covering here in this session are very important, and these are those questions which have a high probability of coming in TCS Advanced Reasoning Ability test. Okay, so let's directly hit to the very first question over here. So the question number 1 is, write number from 146 to 395 in a sequence like this. How many times does the digit 4 appears in the sequence? Okay guys, so make sure whenever I'm flashing any question over here, you pause the video and try to solve this question. I hope so you have a pen and paper with you. So whenever I'm flashing any question on the screen, you pause the video and try to solve this question. After that, you can again resume the video and see how the solution is and your answer is correct or not. Okay, so now you can pause the video and now let's see what is the correct explanation for this particular question. Now the question is asking, write number from 146 to 395 in a sequence, and I have to count how many times the digit 4 will appear. So how to proceed this question? You have to segregate this whole 146 to 395 from a group of 146 to 196, then 204 to the next series. You have to segregate in this one, and when we count the number of 4s here, let me tell you how I am telling over here. So let's see, from 146 to 194. Why I have taken 194? Because I have to count number of 4s. So that's why I have taken till 194. Let's see how many times the number 4 is coming. So from 146, let me count 146, 147, 148 and 149. So I have 4 4s from 146 to 149. Now let's see the next one. Next 4 we'll get at 154, then 164, then 174, then 184, then 194. So how many times? 5 times. So 5 times this way and 4 times from 146, 147, 148, 149. So how many 4s are there? 9 times the 4 came from 146 to 194. Now let's see the next. Now after 194, now we'll move to the next series over here. That is, now let's check from 200 to next one. Which one I will check? Again 294. Yes or no? Because again I have to check 4 over here. So how many times from 200 to 294 the number of 4s come? So any digit, if I take any digit like 9, 4, 3, how many times will that digit will appear from 0 to 100 times? Let's count. So first of all, let's count how many times the 4 is coming in between. So I can say 204, then to 214, then 224, then 234, then 244, then 254, 64, 74, 84 and 94. So how many times it came? Yes, correct. It came 9 times. 9 times this way. Let me tell you, 9 times. I can say this way, like 204, 214 and so to 294. Yes. Now let's count over here how many times it's coming for in the one series of, from, now tell me, 244, now 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248 and 249. This whole 40 series will again have 4. How many times? Let's see. So how many times it will have 4? So already I have counted the 4 will be there. Look, it started from 241, 242, 243, 244. Now 244 will have 2 4s. Yes. Then 245, 246, 247, 248, 249. So how many altogether? It's altogether 11 times. Because in 44 I have 2 4s. One I have already counted, so it will be how many 4s? 11 4s. So I can say 11 times. So altogether I can say how many times? 20 times the 4 is coming from 200 to 294. Now let's see the next one. Now I have to count 395. So I'm left with how much? 300 to next one will be 395. Now let's count again. So again 300 to 395. Again I can say the same thing 20 times. Because again the same thing, it will be 341, 342, 343, 344, 345 this way. So 20 times again. So now from 146 to 395, how many number of times? Let's say it will be 9 plus this 20 and plus this 20. So I can say 20 plus 20, 40 and 9, 49 times. So how many times number 4 will come? 49 times. That is nothing but option number D, guys. So this is one kind of a questions which comes in series of advanced logical question. So if you are preparing for such kind of question, make sure number of 4s they can ask, number of 9s they can ask, number of 8 they can ask how many times it's repeating. So for any group of words which are having from 100 to that term, it will come 20 times. But for a particular kind of a series, you have to count and then you have to identify. So for any kind of question, you have to make sure from 100 to the last 294 or 284, that particular date is coming 20 times. And for a particular group, you have to count it again and again. And then you add up and you'll get the correct answer. I hope so you got the same answer when we were solving by pausing the video. And make sure you always have a pen and paper with you, so that you'll get to know that what kind of questions are coming. Am I able to prepare those questions, or I have to prepare more for the same? Okay, let's move further now. Okay guys, before moving to the next question, make sure you follow us on all our social media handles, especially on Instagram, guys. So make sure you follow our Instagram channel, especially the 2023 year Instagram channel. Let me show you that also. So we keep on posting updates on this our channel, that is Cisco is hiring, TCS is hiring, then Amazon is hiring, all the on campus and off campus updates on this particular channel. So make sure you follow our 2023 Instagram handle, because you will get lot of updates for different companies. Also the TCS updates, what kind of pattern we are coming live for what video, which all the updates from the Instagram 2023 handle. The link for the same is in the description of the video. You can get the link from there and you can follow the Instagram handle. Okay guys, so one more thing, the top 3 commenter on this video will get free access to Prep Insta Prime. So make sure you keep on commenting on the video and give your answer, so that you will get free Prep Insta Prime subscription. Okay guys, so now let's see this question. So they have given 4 friends, Aarti, Bhavna, Charu, Dhriti, have one of the 4 profession, that is dentist, anchor, educator and landscaper. Each friends belong to one of the 4 different cities, that is Calcutta, Indore, Lucknow and Punjab. Now Aarti is not a landscaper or educator. The dentist is from Lucknow. Dhriti is an anchor. The landscaper is from Punjab. The educator is neither from Calcutta nor Punjab. The dentist is not from Punjab. Charu is from Indore. Now which of the following statement is correct about Bhavna? So again guys, pause the video and try to solve this question. One more thing guys, this particular question is from 2D arrangement. So we can solve this question with conventional method also and with the shortcut method also. So I'll explain with the conventional method also, then I'll tell you how to solve this problem with in 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, let's see. So let's go with the conventional method first. So I have 3 entities over here. First the name of those people, then I have their profession they are in, and the next thing I have is the cities they belong. Yeah. So let's start with the very first clue, that is Aarti is not a landscaper or educator. So this is Aarti. Aarti is not a landscaper or a educator. So this is my profession. So I can say Aarti cannot be a landscaper or a educator. So let me put a cross over here. Now next thing, the dentist is from Lucknow. So the dentist is from Lucknow. So I cannot say which one is the dentist, but I can say dentist is from Lucknow. Okay. Next thing over here is Dhriti is an anchor. So let's person is Dhriti and she is an anchor. So anchor means profession is anchor. Okay, next one, the landscaper is from Punjab. So again, landscaper is from Punjab. Okay, next thing, the educator is neither from Kolkata nor Punjab. So next thing, educator neither from Kolkata or Punjab. So I can put a cross over here. This is a cross statement. Dentist is not from Punjab. Okay, dentist is not from Punjab. So next thing is dentist will not from Punjab. Okay, next thing, Charu is from Indore. So next one is Charu and she is from Indore. Okay, so I am left with only one person, that is okay, how many people are there? We have this we have Aarti, we have Bhavna, so we have left with Bhavna now. Okay, so we are left with Bhavna only. Now one more thing guys, now they have given, let's see again, Aarti cannot be a landscaper or educator, anchor is already done. Now one more thing guys, here landscaper cannot come, educator cannot come, anchor already done, so we have only three, that's profession: dentist, anchor, educator, and a landscaper. Educator cannot come, landscaper cannot come, and we know that, so that means only this position is left with only one thing, that is this can be only a dentist, because anchor already done, so we are left with only dentist. Now they are saying dentist is not from Punjab, so Punjab cannot come here. Okay, and dentist is from Lucknow, so we can say dentist is from Lucknow. Fine. Now again here, so anchor is done, Charu and Bhavna is left now. Now landscaper is from Punjab, so landscaper is from Punjab, so I can say Indore, this cannot be a landscaper, so the person who is a landscaper is from Punjab, and so I can only say this is the landscaper and she is from Punjab. Okay, now only left with Charu. Charu is, which profession is left? So I am only left with educator, so this will be educator, and I am left with only one city, Lucknow, Indore, Punjab, and Calcutta, so this will be a Calcutta. Fine. So now they are asking which of the following statement is correct about Bhavna. So Bhavna, landscaper, Punjab. Bhavna, landscaper, Punjab, option number B guys here. Now it took me 3 to 4 minutes to make this whole table and came to my answer. Now let's see how we can solve in seconds. Now this TCS people have put this problem in such a way, because they know people who are smart enough, who know the shortcut approach, they can solve this problem in 2-3 seconds, and the people who go with conventional method, they will waste a lot of time. Okay, and they will not able to clear the cutoff. So we'll try to approach this problem with the shortcut approach. For what? For this we'll see, we'll only emphasize on this statement. Which of the following statement is correct about Bhavna guys? Now we only have to emphasize on Bhavna. Okay, now let's see. So let's see Bhavna, where is Bhavna? They have given any information about Bhavna. So Aarti is not a landscape. Let's see which information. So dentist is from Lucknow. So one thing is given is dentist is from Lucknow. So they are saying in option number C, dentist is Calcutta. So this cannot be possible because dentist is from Lucknow. Dentist cannot be from Punjab. Dentist is from Lucknow. Okay. Now let's see landscaper. Information about landscaper. The landscaper is from Punjab. So they have saying landscaper is from Punjab. So landscaper cannot from Calcutta. So this is wrong. So only option left with landscaper is from Punjab. That is Bhavna. So without even making the table, I can solve the problem in 4 to 5 seconds by eliminating the other options. Okay, so this is how you can solve a normal problem, a bigger problem in seconds even. Okay, so I hope so you got the point how to solve the problem, how to approach. There is always a shortcut approach, going with options, elimination method in such a way. Okay, let's move ahead now, and I'll pause the video again guys. This is a normal number series question with a little bit twist. Try to solve this video, pause the video, and then solve this. Okay, now let's see. So it's given 70, 54, 45, 41, and this way. So this is a decreasing series. But if you see decreasingly, the difference here, so there will be, difference of 16, then difference of not 16, then. So let's see how much difference is there. So if here difference is 16. What is the difference over here? So here difference is 9. What is the difference over here? Here difference is 4. Can you see any logic? Yeah, this is 4 square. This is 3 square. This is 2 square. So next one should be difference of 1, which is 1 square. Yes. So difference of 1. So I can say if difference of 1, here it should be 40. Then only the difference will be 1. So my answer is nothing but option number A, 40. This is a normal moderate problem from advanced section. Okay, now let's move forward again with the next problem here. Okay guys, so now let's see this problem. So the 260th term of the series A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 E, E, and so forth. So we have to find the 260th term of this series. So guys, again pause the video, try to solve this problem. This is a very good problem, very high, high level problem from TCS Logical Advanced Series question. So this kind of questions TCS ask a lot. Pause the video, try to solve this problem. I try to solve this problem step by step to you. So okay, let's directly hit to the solution now. So they are asking what is the 260th term in the series. Now let's first see the series, what kind of pattern we can see in the series. Now if you observe the series, you see first A is there, then B is 2 times, then C is 3 times, then D is 4 times. So can I say each alphabet is increasing by one number, like whenever it's proceeding further. So let's first let me use this whole area for use, and already you can see how to see this. So A is coming 1 time, B is coming 2 times, C is coming 3 times, D is coming 4 times, and so on and so forth. So can I say if I have to see the whole series, this is a nth term series. If I have to add the number of terms, I have to find the number of terms. Can I use the formula for sum of the terms, or number of terms I have to find? So how to go with that? So I can say the total number of series is equals to n plus 1 by 2 formula. Yes or no? So what is n over here? I know that is 26 letters because alphabet. So 26 plus 1 by 2. So this will be 13. 26 plus 1, 27. 27 into 13. 27 into 10, 270. 27 into 3. So 270 plus 30. Yeah, 351. So this will be 351 terms altogether. So this is my first part over here. Now what will be 351 first term? 351st term will be Z. But how many times Z will be there? I know A is at the first place, it's coming 1 time. B as the second place, B is coming 2 times. Z will be at the 26th place, Z will come 26 times. So we'll have 26Z. 26Z will be there. Yeah. So I have to find how many Y's will be there. So can I say, if I say 351 minus 26, I will come to how much? So that will be 325. So can I say 325? 325 will be my Y. Now how many Y's will be there? So can I say 325 minus again 25, because Y will be 25s. If Z is 26, Y will be 25. So how many Y's will be there? So Y will be till 300. So I can say this is my Z, this is my Y's. Now let's find how many X will be there. So again I can subtract 300 minus 24 will give me till where I'll have X. So that will be 276 will be my X. So I'll have 276 to 300 will be my X. 276 to 300 will be my number of X only. Now I have to find what will be the 260th term. 260th term I have to find. I came to 276. Okay. Now how many number of, so WXYZ. So I know 24X is there. How many W will be there? W will be 23. So W will be 23. If I subtract 23 from 276, I will come to how much value? That is 253. Because yeah, 253. So W is 253. 250 term will be W, but I have to find 250th. So if 250th term is W, I can say 250th 53 term to 276 will be W only. So my 260th term will be also W. I hope so you understood. So I normal went with the normal, this that 26 will be the last Z, it will come 26 times. So total number of digits minus 26 will be, so 325 to 351 will be my Z. Then 325 to 300 will be my Y. Now 300 to 276 will be my X, and 276 to 260 will be my W. 253 will be my W. So 260 is the middle of that, that is also W. So I can say my answer is nothing but option number B here. Understood guys? Clear? This is a very normal problem, but if you see this problem if you visualize it in a real time, you will understand and you will find the answer very easily. I have not applied any formula, I just went with a normal approach and I got my correct answer. Okay, let's move forward now. Okay, again a question from 2D arrangement. So University of Vikramshala has enrolled 9 PhD candidates: Babu, Chitra, Dheeraj, Isha, Farooq, Gauri, Hamid, Iqbal and Jacob, and they have given these all the information about that Farooq and Iqbal were enrolled on the same day as each other and no one else was enrolled on that day. Chitra and Gauri were enrolled on the same day as each other and no one else was enrolled on that day. Isha was enrolled on before Babu, Hamid was enrolled before Dheeraj, Dheeraj was enrolled after Iqbal but before Isha, Gauri was enrolled after both Jacob and Babu, Babu was enrolled before Jacob, So who were the last two candidates to be enrolled? Pause the video, try to solve this problem. I will solve this problem with the shortcut method directly. I will not go with any conventional method. Again, anyhow, we have to make the arrangement and we have to see all the clues and then we'll come to the answer. Okay, so starting with the very first thing, so let's see direct thing which we have given. Let's start from here. So Isha was enrolled before Babu. So if Isha was before Babu, then that means Isha will be before Babu. So I will use greater sign for before. So Isha, let me write this way. First is Isha is before Babu. Second thing, Hamid was enrolled before Dheeraj. So Hamid is before Dheeraj. So again I can say Hamid is before Dheeraj. Third one, Dheeraj was enrolled after Iqbal but before Isha. So who? Dheeraj. So this is Dheeraj and Dheeraj is enrolled after Iqbal but before Isha. So Isha before Isha and after Iqbal. Correct? So now next one is Gauri was enrolled after both Jacob and Babu. So Gauri is after Jacob and Babu both. So if this is my Gauri after both of them, so who is my those two people? Jacob and Babu after is Gauri. Why I put and over here? Because I don't know who is bigger than in Jacob. Is Jacob is before Babu or Babu is before Jacob? So that's why I put this way. Now next one, fifth one I have is Babu was enrolled before Jacob. So Babu is before Jacob. So I can combine these two statements. Now I can find the sixth statement because I know Babu is before Jacob. So I can say Babu, Jacob, and then Gauri as my this from this fifth, fourth, and fifth. Now let's combine all these statements and let's see which all what the conclusion I'll get. So let's see this way only, the Babu, Jacob, and Gauri. And I know, okay, here I have Isha, Babu. So Isha is more than Babu. Then Gauri, okay. Then after that anything, I have Gauri here. Okay. So now let's, what next thing is Isha will be before that person. Okay. Yeah, this one. So D is before Isha and I is before D. So this is my final combination. Now they are saying who were the last two candidates to be enrolled. Now last one is Gauri. Last one is Gauri. And they told Chitra and Gauri were enrolled on the same day each other. No one else were enrolled that day. So if Chitra and Gauri were enrolled on the same day and the last person I get it Gauri over here. So that means Gauri will always come with Chitra. So I can say Chitra and Gauri will be always together. So answer is option number D. So without even seeing the above statement starting one, I just made the normal views. I set the arrangement. I see the next person according to me is Gauri, and Gauri will always come with Chitra. So last two people will be Gauri and Chitra. I hope so your answer is also the same. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, now this question is from data sufficiency, guys. Again, pause the video, try to solve this and come to your answer. Let's see. Okay, so let me first denote each and every statement one and one time. So M is taller than T but shorter than Y. Y is shorter than only O. Okay. So how to make this statement? So how many people are there who is tallest among these five people? So I have five places. So I will make this way. So first statement I am taking. I have five places. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 places. Now Y is shorter than only O. That means Y is only shorter than one person, that is O. So that means Y will be at second position and Y is shorter than only one person, that is O. Yeah. M is taller than T but shorter than Y. So M is taller than T but shorter than Y. Okay. If M is shorter than Y, so M will be here somewhere here out of these two. So I can say M will be shorter than Y but taller than T. But out of these three places, where M will come, where T will come, that I can't say because I have only 4 people denoted, but I don't know the one position here. Now they are asking who is the tallest among L, M, N, O, T, Y. So I can't say who is the tallest. Can I say who is the tallest? Because I don't know about L. Maybe L can be more taller than O. I don't know about L. So I cannot say using first statement that who is the tallest one. Sorry. Yeah. So I can say if the data in statement 1 alone are sufficient. No, it's not sufficient. Let's use the second statement alone now. Now second statement says y and m are shorter than O, t is the only taller than n. So again 5 people. T is only taller than n. If t is only taller than n, then t will be the second last person in the if taller series. Now next thing is y and m are shorter than O. Now y and m are shorter than O. That means O will be greatest and y and m will be shorter than O. So y and m will be shorter than O. But where y will come, where m will come, can I say? Where y will come or where L will come, can I say? Like, see, it's saying t is only taller than n. T is only taller than n. T is only taller than n. Okay. Now, and y and m are shorter than O. Y and m are shorter than O. They are shorter than O. That I know, they both are shorter than O. And t and n will be at the last position because it's given t is only taller than n. T is only taller than n, not other than other person. So t will be at second place. This will be at here. Y and m will be at both at any of this position. And who is the tallest among them? Can I say who is the tallest? Yes, I can say O will be the tallest here. Why? Because I know, no matter, I don't know where y will come, m will come, but I know O will be the tallest. Why? Because O is greater than y and m and t is only taller than n. So if t is only taller than n, t will be at the second last position, and this is the second last and this is the last position. So I can say only using second I can answer. Option number B is my correct answer. So understood, guys? So that's why we have to go step by step to come to my answer, which one is the correct. In data sufficiency, it is a high probability of coming to the wrong answer. So that's my answer is option number B, that is correct. Okay, let's move forward now to the next problem here. Again, one more thing, guys, if you want to practice such same kind of questions of data sufficiency of same difficulty, I would suggest you should go to this particular dashboard on Prepesta Prime where we have TCS specific problem. If you go to here, this place, yeah, TCS NQT, Ninja and Digital, this place. So you will be able to see the TCS NQT and Digital specific problems where we have covered advanced logical questions topic wise. If I was discussing the data sufficiency problem, all the questions which I have taken over here, I have taken these such problems from each and every topic, the best problems from there. But if you want to practice more such questions, you go to this particular place of TCS NQT or Digital Dashboard of Prime. If you're already a Prime subscriber or you are already a Prime member, you know about this place. If not, I would suggest you this is the right place from where you can prepare for advanced logical section. If you are not a yet Prime subscriber, you can take the Prime. I will discuss all the pricing at the end of this session. Okay, let's come back to the question and let's see the next problem here. Okay, so what is the value of the 40th term in the given series? Again, guys, I would suggest you should pause the video and try to solve this problem. Pause the video. Okay, so what is the value of the 40th term in the given series? Okay, first we have to find a pattern over here. So it's 1, 5, 6, 25, 26, 30, 31, 125, 126, 130, 131, 151, 155 and 156 and so on and so forth. Okay, now if you notice over here, first statement is 1, then 5, then we have 6, then we have 25. So can I say there is some relation 5 square 25? Then again next term is 26. Can I say plus 1 is 26? Now I have 30 over here. Yeah, 30. So how I can get 30 over here? Can I say 6 into 5 is 30? Yes. So let's see how it's going. Let's make a pattern. So can I say 1 into 5 will give me 5. Then 5 plus 1 will give me 6. Now 5 square will give me 25. Now 25 plus 1 will give me 26. Yes. Now 5 into 6 will give me 30. Then 30 plus 1 will give me 31. Now again 25 square will give me 25 square, 25 into 5 will give me 125 and 125 plus 1 will give me 126. Let's move forward. So next is 126. So next one should be, I already added 1 now. So next step should be multiply. that is 26 into yeah, this way only. So I have done till this term. Okay, now we have to find the 20th term over here. If I see the logic over here, let's see what kind of logic here. Let me write the logic over here. This is the first term, and this is, let me write first term into 5 will give me second term. Now here second term plus 1 will give me third term. Next one, can I say second term square? Yeah, or yeah, second term square will give me fourth term. Next one, fourth term plus 1 will give me fifth term. Oh, if you find the logic, you will get a pattern over here. So I have to find what is the pattern over here. So pattern is the number of at current value, the current value into 2, because what I am doing into 2 will give me number at current position into 5. Okay, so and the next one will be number of current position into 2 plus 1, because I am adding plus 1 here, will give me the number at current position into 2 plus 1. Okay, so let's find, we have to find that 40th term. So if I have to find a 40th term, first I should know the 20th term. So what will be 20th term? 20th term will be 10th term into 5, because here I am saying number of the current position into 2 is equal to number of current term into 5. So 20th term will be 10 term into 5. What is the 10th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 130 into 5. So it's come near out to 650. I have to find the 40th term. The 40th term will be 40 into again 5. Sorry, 20 into 5. So it's 650 into 5 to carry 5, 6, 30, 3, 2, 5, 0 will be my answer. That is option number A. So I hope so. This is a very big question. So you have to find a pattern over here. What kind of pattern is coming? Okay. So this is the way how you solve this particular kind of questions. So I can see the logic. Say 5 square is giving, then 5 into 6 become 30, then 25 plus 1, 26. So its consecutive terms is giving me that logic. So I come to this one, or you can go with, if you don't want to find this formula, you can go with the normal approach. You can make a whole pattern and then you can find the 20th term and directly, because but finding the 40th term, you have to find this nth term formula. You have to make this formula by seeing this whole pattern over here, how it's coming. Okay, so I hope so this is understood. Okay guys, now let's talk about Prepinsta Prime, which is having 150 plus courses under one subscription, which is like Netflix. Okay, so starting from the courses like popular skills like cyber security, ethical hacking, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Popular language like C, C++, Java, and Python. Okay, if you go down, you will see the whole Flash aptitude course. Also, I would suggest you, if you go down, you can see the interview experience course also. Okay, or if you are someone who is dedicatedly preparing for TCS specific, so let me show you. Here we have a TCS specific course, that is TCS NQT and TCS Digital, which is having previous year's question. This is 175 plus hours course, which is purely dedicated to TCS. Okay guys, if you are someone who is not good at programming skills, you are from non CSIT branch, mechanical or EE, so I would suggest you should first start preparing from basic, basic popular languages like C or C++ and data structure. Later on, for advanced coding section, you should start preparing from this data structure. You can prepare in any language like C, C++, Java, or Python. After then, you should move to the intermediate coding part and the competitive coding part, because TCS asks coding questions, advanced coding questions, and this will help you a lot. Okay, talking about the advanced coding section for TCS NQT. So guys, last time TCS asked 2 advanced coding questions which got repeated from code beta part. So this is the place from where you can practice those same kind of questions. Same goes for aptitude guys. So here we have a full flash course for aptitude, which is TCS NQT specific. Let me show you that also. So yeah, From here, you can practice TCS NQT specific problems and TCS detailed problems which came in previous year. That's all, guys. Make sure you do check Prepinsta Prime. The link for the same in the description of the video. Okay, guys. So let's see. So before ending the session, guys, make sure you follow all our social media handle, that is Instagram, Discord, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. So make sure you follow our Instagram handle, that is especially 2023 year Instagram handle, because we keep on giving updates for different companies like, Amazon is hiring, Cisco is hiring, TCS is hiring, and different Infosys is hiring. So all those updates. So make sure you follow our 2023 year Instagram handle. The link for the same is the description of the video. One more thing, guys, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because we keep on coming live and you'll get all the updates whenever we are coming live, guys. Thank you so much. Now the team will play a cool trailer for you.
We have a tailored course on how to crack any exam of TCS, be it the TCS NQT or the Ninja, Digital, or even the Code Vita. And the best thing is we cover each and every minor topic that could be asked, be it aptitude, reasoning, verbal or coding or data interpretation. We got it all covered. Talking about aptitude, we start with a basic topic as number system, as well as we cover complex topics such as elementary statistics, which is a new addition to TCS and is very important, and even data interpretation. In the verbal section, we teach students on how to ace the comprehension part, and also we make them know the very basics of English grammar, which is necessary to crack the verbal section of TCS. The coding section also contains the required logic of programming like DSA, trees, graphs, as well as we offer the programs which are frequently asked in the exam in our top 100 coding questions. Students can revise what they have learned using the Prepinsta mock assignments and tests, which are also a part of the course. When we say Prime, we do intend to give the Prime experience for all our students. We offer complimentary live classes, mock quizzes, and we cover every aspect of the TCS interview, be it the HR interview or the technical interview. It is a complete all-in-one package. Student can also check the interview experience section, which offers real-time interview experiences of freshers who have cracked the TCS interview and exams from the first-hand experience. We have material which crosses 175 plus hours of learning just for TCS. So what are you waiting for? Get the Prime experience today.